What's up guys, welcome to Super Wow Style. This is Prachi and in today's video I'm gonna fix my hair and make it party ready in the easiest way possible. I know right now my hair is looking a little extra deranged, I know that. It's because I just shampooed and conditioned my hair and my hair is still a little bit damp, it's towel dry damp. I haven't really had the chance to brush through my hair or detangle it at all. But I can promise you by the end of the video my hair would have completely transformed, and if I can do this, so can you. It gives you a very salon-like effect at home and it's super easy. So for the upcoming wedding season, upcoming party season, if you want to get the salon-like effect at home very simply, you can actually follow this process. For this process, I like to use this range from BBlunt. I love the brand BBlunt because it's a premium hair care styling brand which is synonymous with cutting-edge hairstyling and hair care. And I love how this brand is all about, being yourself, having fun, just doing your own thing. So I'm going to start with the BBlunt Hot Shot Heat Protection Hair Mist. It contains provitamin B5, which is a humectant to help improve the hair's luster. It also contains grapeseed oil that acts as a natural heat protectant. What I love about this formula is that, number one, it does not leave any sticky, greasy, weird texture behind of any sort. So it contains a very unique heat protect technology and it protects your hair from heat up to 230 degrees Celsius, which is a lot, guys. So it gives you amazing heat protection, which means you can actually use it on a daily basis and not be worried about the damage that heat can cause to your hair. I'll just give this bottle a little shake, and mind you, my hair is a little damp right now, and then open the cap, and then I'm just gonna hold this a little away from my hair and then just spray it on. So when you're spraying it on, just try to spray it as evenly as possible, and then just see how beautifully my hair will get detangled in an instant. Do you see that? Otherwise, I'm fighting with my hair, trying to get it detangled. It's a process. With this spray, it actually becomes much easier to detangle the hair. And of course, like I told you, it gives you amazing heat protection. I actually have a very, very interesting product, which I discovered a couple of weeks back. And I have been obsessed with it. So this is, yes, I like to keep it in a box because I really love this product and I want to keep it nice and safe. So this is the BBlunt Pro Titanium Glide Hair Straightener. It contains an infrared technology. Basically produces very gentle infrared heat, okay? It's very, very gentle for your hair and gives you that salon-like hair straightening. It uses an ionic technology to generate negative ions to eliminate frizz and static, leaving your hair soft and smooth, and the floating titanium plates help to heat up instantly and glide seamlessly on the hair. The 360-degree Swivel cord prevents tangling and twisting during the usage for hassle-free styling. And the best part, guys, this straightener actually provides 1.6 times better hair smoothness. And isn't that absolutely fabulous? So let me show you how to actually operate this device. It's very, very simple. I'll first plug it into a power socket, obviously, and press the switch on button. The LED display will start flashing the default temperature of 150 degrees and the straightener will start to heat up. When the temperature is reached, the indicator light will remain lit. By repeatedly pressing the power switch button, the other temperatures can be selected in the order of 170, 190, 210 and 230. I like to use it at 170. So yes, guys, it actually gives you five temperature options, which I think is so handy because you can actually pick and choose depending on how your hair is, what your hair needs, your hair texture and everything. One thing though, generally when you're straightening your hair, try not to go beyond 180. Now, after you have selected the temperature, in my case, I've selected 170 degrees. I want to lock the temperature so it doesn't keep moving, okay? So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use the switch on button and long press it for 3 seconds to lock the desired temperature settings. The second LED light indicator next to the lock iron will turn on and the temperature will not change now upon single press on a switch button. You can see the lock switch and that just makes it very clear. And just in case during the process of hair straightening, if you want to change the temperature settings to something else, you can also deactivate the lock button by simply holding down the switch button for longer than 3 seconds and the lock symbol will disappear. And then of course you can turn it off by pressing on the switch button until the display turns off. And here's a very interesting thing I found out about this hair straightener, guys. It also has like this really interesting safety feature. Like if you're clumsy like me and forgetful like me, just in case if you ever forget to turn off your straightener, it will automatically turn off on its own after 60 minutes of being turned on, okay? So it has an automatic timer inbuilt in it. So now to straighten my hair, here's what I like to do. I like to section my hair with my fingers, okay? So as I go, I kind of just like to keep sectioning my hair. For people who have extremely voluminous, extremely thick hair, you might want to use hair clips. Generally, the width of your hair section should not be more than 5 centimeters because if you take too much hair at one go, it'll just make the process a lot slower. 5 centimeters is a good range to follow, okay? And when you're straightening your hair, try to go slow. When you go a little slower, it actually makes the overall process a lot faster. So with this particular straightener, I have to go over the same area not more than 2 or 3 times, which makes the overall process very, very handy, very, very quick. Now, of course, guys, it's a straightener, so just a quick side note. You can also get a little creative and make curls or, do things like that, make waves by twisting the device outwards or inwards. Now while my hair cools down, let me also quickly introduce you to the BBlunt Pro Insta Smooth Hair Straightening Brush with ionic technology that helps to eliminate frizz and static, leaving your hair soft and smooth. It actually provides 2x better frizz control, and isn't that absolutely amazing? The ceramic coated bristles actually ensure even heating across the brush while protecting the scalp from heat. For now, going back to my straight hair, I'm just gonna comb through my hair and then go ahead and use the BBlunt Salon Like Hair Hot Shot Finish Spray. It's designed for radiant shine and it gives you beautiful salon-like effect. I love how it's a sulfate-free formula, super handy and easy to use. Just spray this, keeping it at a distance of about 15 centimeters from the hair, and spray it as evenly as possible. I love how once again it does not leave any residue behind and just locks the hair beautifully, making it so radiant and shiny. And there you have it, guys, the beautiful party-ready hair. So guys, you can get all of these products on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart. I will put all the links in the description box below. For the Hot Shot range, you can also get them on bblunt.com. I will again put the link in the description box below. I suggest you actually buy these two from the BBlunt official website, because then you can use the code SWS20 for flat 20% off. Also, every time you place an order directly with BBlunt, they will link your order to a woman that they're helping empower through the Sambhav Foundation with their BBlunt Shine Academy. So they are on a mission to empower 10,000 women across the country, and I think that's just a great cause, right? So yes guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's quick video. This is how I get my hair party ready, and also, to be very honest, on a very regular basis I actually do this because actually it makes your hair look really awesome, right? So yes guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superpower Style for more. I'm gonna rush, finish off my makeup, change into my party clothes, and see you guys again soon. Today I'll be partying. I'll see you guys again soon. Okay, bye.